Welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, let's talk about how to earn money in LinkedIn. But before I will start, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos. Let's go. LinkedIn. You can use LinkedIn to showcase your expertise, connect with potential clients, and even offer consulting services or online courses. Create a professional profile. Your LinkedIn profile serves as your online resume and the first impression you make on potential clients or employers. Ensure your profile photo is professional, your headline reflects your expertise, and your summary highlights your skills and experiences. Highlight your expertise. Use the experience section to detail your work history, emphasizing your areas of expertise and accomplishments. Include relevant keywords related to your consulting services or online courses to make your profile more discoverable. Build a network. Connect with professionals in your industry or target market. Engage in meaningful conversations, share valuable content, and participate in relevant LinkedIn groups to expand your network. Building a robust network can lead to new connections and opportunities. Publish thoughtful content. Share articles, posts, and updates related to your niche or field of expertise. Providing valuable insights, tips, and trends can position you as a thought leader and attract potential clients who are interested in your services or courses. Utilize LinkedIn articles. Write and publish longer-form articles on LinkedIn to delve deeper into topics within your expertise. These articles can demonstrate your knowledge and establish you as a credible authority in your field. Offer consulting services. Use your LinkedIn profile and network to promote your consulting services. You can mention your services in your summary, about section, or in posts. When potential clients reach out, be responsive and provide clear information about how you can assist them. Create a LinkedIn page. If you're offering online courses or consulting services as a business, consider creating a LinkedIn page for your brand. Share updates about your offerings and use the platform to connect with your audience. Promote online courses. If you're offering online courses, use LinkedIn to promote them. Share announcements, course previews, and success stories from previous students. You can also join or create LinkedIn groups related to your course topics to reach a targeted audience. Direct messaging and InMail. Use LinkedIn's messaging features, including InMail for premium users, to reach out to potential clients or course participants directly. Personalized messages that highlight how you can solve their specific problems are more likely to generate responses. Engage with recommendations. Encourage satisfied clients and students to provide recommendations on your LinkedIn profile. Positive testimonials from others can enhance your credibility and build trust with potential clients or course participants. Collaborate with influencers. If there are influencers or well-known figures in your industry, consider collaborating with them on content or projects. Their endorsement can introduce you to a larger audience and boost your credibility. Measure your ROI. Track the return on investment ROI of your efforts on LinkedIn. Monitor metrics such as profile views, connection requests, leads generated, and conversion rates. Adjust your strategy based on what delivers the best results. Continuously learn and adapt. LinkedIn, like all social platforms, evolves. Stay up to date with changes in its features and algorithms. Attend LinkedIn training sessions or webinars to learn about new strategies and best practices for personal branding and lead generation. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for professionals to showcase their expertise, network with peers, and promote their consulting services or online courses. By consistently providing value, building relationships, and staying attuned to the needs of your target audience, you can leverage LinkedIn to grow your consulting, business, or online course offerings successfully. That's all, folks. Hope you learned something new about how to earn money in LinkedIn. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for our latest upload.